Hello, I'm Joshua Bostick, and I'm a mechanical engineer and industrial machinery expert with Robson Forensic. In my work as an expert, I investigate equipment failures, safety practices, and injury incidents related to mechanical equipment. For over a decade, I have worked at various manufacturing and process facilities in the paper, plastic, and wood processing industries as an industrial maintenance and project engineer. Part of my responsibility at these facilities was to develop safety measures on equipment, such as lockout-tagout procedures and guarding, to ensure that they met the safety requirements established by OSHA and other industry standard organizations. I've also redesigned older equipment to make it safer with guarding and emergency stops. In situations where there is an equipment failure, it was my role to conduct investigations using root cause analysis to find solutions to correct or mitigate any unreasonably dangerous conditions employees may be exposed to in the future. As a project engineer, I led large-scale capital projects involving the installation of new equipment to increase production or improve site safety. I also designed customized industrial machines that required considerations on the safety of the machine operator. As a certified vibration analyst, I can assess equipment health in detail and make informed maintenance decisions without requiring shutdowns. I also use vibration analysis to investigate equipment failures, examining historical data to understand what led up to a breakdown. My love for making and tinkering with machines came from my grandfather. He loved to fix things and came up with some of the most ingenious ways to repair anything that broke in his house. We would spend hours in his shop fixing his lawn equipment or appliances, and I will never forget how proud I felt knowing that he and I kept something from being thrown away and figured out how it worked in the process. I have never lost that curiosity to determine how things work and use that drive in everything I do at work and at home. I apply that same curiosity along with my education, training, and experience to my forensic casework.